Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. The time right now is 9:45 and I'm going for a ride. For me, it's a bit of an early morning because last time I went to sleep late after the wedding. So I'm going for a ride with a friend of mine. Actually, he's a subscriber also, and he watched my vlogs on the rides of Wayanad and all, and he was like, "We'll do a ride together." So I told him that we'll do it somewhere in December because he has got a bike and will be riding today. So I'm running late on time, so I'll directly go to his place and I'll meet you all to him as well. So I packed everything and I'll just take it and I'll splash some water on the bike and I'll move. So I'm ready to leave. I'll just put on my gloves. Okay, so I did not wash the bike, I just wiped it with this cloth because it was pretty much clean, and I washed it only and kept, and after that I did not ride it for quite some time. And after such a long time I am motovlogging. So you see, at our house, if you just keep the bike open, what happens? The dogs just eat up the seats and all. So I'm pretty much worried every time that it does not be my bike. So every day I cover it with a bed sheet. So even Ian does the same thing. Yeah, and after such a long time I'm back motovlogging. So I'll just go to Evo's place. He's from Chandar only. Oh, I thought that was Fraser. So here he is. Good morning. Fine. How are you? When you came?
2 weeks now.
2 weeks. Okay. I saw you at the church that day.
Where is sorry?
That Joshua's farm, no?
Okay.
Yeah, I saw you there. Yeah. Okay. So we'll leave first, and then I'll introduce you all to him. Actually, we are running, late. Even he has to go for Brian Adams show, and I thought he was coming behind me. And so if we wait now, then we'll have to ride in the hot sun. So we'll ride when the weather is quite pleasant, and then we'll take a break. So finally we are riding. We'll go to Gudi to fuel up, and from there I think we are moving to Kap the Ram. As of now, the plan is that we are riding to Kap the Ram. The sound of the Benelli is very pleasant. It's an inline 4 engine, and the sound is very good, very winning. It's very good. It's like music to the ears. So I fueled up for 400, and Evo also needs to fuel up. So this uncle has come to me and is telling me, please turn off your phone, you cannot speak on the phone. And I'm like, this is a camera, it's a camera. He's not listening to me. He's like, turn it off. And I'm telling him that it's a camera and I'm talking to the camera because I vlog. But he thought, because it's a fuel station, that I'm talking on the phone. So he was concerned and he came to tell me. But it was so funny. Me and Evo were just laughing. Yeah, sure. Did you feel it up till this thing? Yeah? Sure? How much? अरे थोड़ा बोल रहा होता पेट्रोल. Always not fuel it just till this. So this is your over fuel this from that valve, it's leaking. Don't start it right now. We'll go and stay in the shade over there. Yeah, we'll just wait because the engine might be hot, no? We'll just wait. No, I'll give you a push. So his fuel is still leaking. We'll wait for some time, because if the bike is hot and the engine turns really hot, there are chances of it catching fire. So we'll wait. Actually, what has happened is, so you are never supposed to fill it up above this ring. So after that there is a exit water pipe, from there it's getting leaked. We'll just wait for some time and then we'll move. So we just reached Chinchinim, and the bike leak, the petrol leak on his bike has stopped, but my bike problem has started. So this nut, which I have shown quite a few times, it has turned loose again. I don't know what is the exact reason behind it, but since we are not going off-road today, it is fine. But you know, if I go off-road, this thing might just come up. So we are almost about to reach, and Evo is, you know, right on the mirror. Look at this guy. Okay, so as I was saying, Evo is right on the mirror. You know, he's riding really well, and it's just been one day that he's riding this bike, but good control on the bike, I should say. Even while overtaking, I was hitting the narrow corners, so was he. And we are maintaining good speeds, 80, 100, 80, 100, and the ride is going pretty well, and I am feeling really good. After such a long time, I am riding back, and after almost 2-3 years, I am coming to Cap d'Aram. I think the last I came was 2 years back. There's a small waterfall over there. We had come there. So after that too, I have not been to this side only. Where do we go? This side or this side? Anything for me, anything works. We'll go there and click some photos. Okay. So we are going to the cliff side. This is a bit of a patchy road. Oh, you know, a lot of things have changed here since the last time I came. See, there are a lot of small stalls that are set up. This thing wasn't there, the Cape Goa, this entrance wasn't there. We'll go that side, no? Yeah. So I think, you know, a lot of car meetups, bike meetups, Goa mod cars meetups, they happen here, and this place looks good. Yesterday I saw a clip, you know, wherein one white car was almost about to fall on the other side. I think it's over here only. Oh, finally, after such a long time, I'm back here. You know, during my college days, we used to bunk and come over here. There's no shade, I guess. So we just reached here and met Evo.
Hello.
Hi. You know, we've been planning this ride for almost how many months? 6-7 months now?
8 months to be precise.
8 months. So he's a really good rider. I've been telling it in the video also. He's been on my mirror for the entire ride. And so we'll just click some photos here and then we'll leave. We are not sure what we'll be doing after that. What are we doing?
Go for some tea.
Okay, we'll go for some tea. So we are at the Kanangit. No, this is, I think, the Cap d'Aram cliff. There's the Rajbagh beach and all. You know, it looks so good from here. Like, if you see around. And the beach is below. So we'll click some photos and then we'll move from here.
A few minutes later.
So we are making a move from here. We'll go to the Cap d'Aram fort, and we'll just take a spin over there, and from there we'll be going to have tea. And we reached the fort. So here it is. I'm not sure if we'll be walking inside, but we'll just like take a turn and go from here. So we are looking for a place to have tea. Earlier we used to have it there on the turn where the wholesale is. So we'll see if he's still there. Then we'll have it there, or we'll check what's next. So I'm having bhaji pav, and he's having omelette bread, and we ordered tea and coffee. It's still not come, so we'll have this and we'll move home. So we had breakfast and now we are moving. The time right now is, wait, I'll check. It's 11:52, so by 12:30 we should be home. So overall I really enjoyed the ride today, and there's not much traffic also since it's a Tuesday, but I think if we had to come on Saturday or Sunday, then we would get a lot of traffic. Just now people have started going this thing, coming this side, but by then we'll be out of here. So we're almost about to reach home now, and we are done with the ride. Overall it was a really good ride, and we are back. It was just for 2 hours, 1 hour to go and 1 hour to be back, and we have reached Evo's house. Chalo, yeah, bye. Okay, yes, yeah, bye.